Hey everybody, today we're putting together a cat play area. What's it called, Jenny? A cat
activity centre.
A cat activity centre from Pawz. Got it on catch.com, I think it's called, pretty sure. And this is it on the table. Everything is lettered A, B, C, D, so it should be a really easy installation. And I thought we'd do a bit of a time lapse, and I'll break it up every now and again when things happen. And we've got two cats who are already into it, so you can see that it's going to be a very pleasant experience for the cats. I hope the installation, the putting of it together is as pleasant for us as well. Let's see what happens. That's our base. You can see everything's nice and simple. A. Right, Jenny, we're going to make some space for A. Tools are required. The tool, got one tool. Hex key. And just a heap of bolts. A bit like a bugle batten screw, but a more furniture style bolt. And that's it as far as tools and bolts go. It's a matter of just fitting it all together. Because it's the same size as a bugle batten screw, I'm going to use my drill because it's just going to save so much time. It's all getting a little bit complicated, but we're up to the second stage, if that makes any sense to you on there. We finally worked it out. We had to pause things for a bit there. There's a little house that goes on the top of here. Well, there you go everybody, it's assembled. I'll move the camera and we'll put it in position and we'll see how the cats respond. Look at this. Look, Sylvie. Look, Harry. I think there's going to be a lot of fun and games. The cats are going to love this.